Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop, or as I like to say when I do these videos, welcome inside my computer. Today we are going to talk about Ryobi Days. I was in the Home Depot today and managed to pick something up as I usually do for Ryobi Days. But let me explain to you what the sale is. I think we all know this sale by now, but I'm going to give you the overview really quick, and then I'll take you downstairs and show you what I got, because I went in a whole different direction this time. It's going to be a little bit different. But how this sale works, guys, it's the same as always. They have three main options up here. They have a 2 battery, a 3 battery, and a string trimmer this year, which is interesting. The 2 battery kit is a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery. The 3 battery kit is 2 4 amp hour batteries and a 2 amp hour battery. 2 battery kit's going to cost you 99 bucks. 3 battery kit's going to cost you $199. Both of them allow you to pick a free tool. The string trimmer is a $99 13-inch string trimmer that does come with the battery and charger. I believe it's a 2 amp hour battery. We'll check in a minute when we open it up. And this also allows you to pick a free tool. So let's take a look at the 2 battery one first. We click on Shop Now. And as we can see here, we're going to get a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour. And they are showing these pictures as HP batteries here. I did not think this kit was HP batteries, but you know, now that they have the new Edge batteries, maybe the HP is in all of the kits now. So for $99, you're going to get the 2 and the 4 amp hour battery, the charger, which is their basic charger, and then you're going to get to pick one of these tools that you see on the screen now. You have the inflator, the multi-tool, the sander, the 2-pack of little fans, a vacuum, a little blower. The jigsaw probably is a good option there. The flashlight, I'd run from that. That's too cheap. You can buy that on its own. The bigger fan, they have a new fan out that looks a lot nicer than this one, so maybe you want to lean that way in a minute when we go to the 3 battery one. The reciprocating saw is probably not a bad idea. If you have hedges to trim, that hedge trimmer is probably good. Or the grinder. Those are the 12 tools you get to choose from in this option. So let's go back and now let's take a look at the 3 battery option. Shop Now on that. What you're getting here is 2 4 amp hours and a 2 amp hour, the same charger. As you can see, these are also in the picture HP batteries, and it's $199. And you can choose any of the tools I showed you before, or you can pick from this bigger list of 7 HP tools. Here's that HP fan I was talking about. That is a newer fan. It's an oscillating fan. Looks like a nicer fan. You can get a, this is the 18 gauge brad nailer. Nice tool. The trying to see, that's the 7 1/4 circular saw. So these are all HP tools. That stick vacuum, the scrubber, an impact wrench, and a blower. These are some of the nice tools. The plus more down here, I believe, means all of the tools I showed you with the $99 2 battery pack system. So better tools to come with 3 batteries in this kit. This is a great deal. I can tell you, I did this deal 2 years ago, and at that time they were offering the HP jigsaw, and that's what I purchased when I bought this. Now, the third option for the BOGO is this stick trimmer, which is interesting. Let's do a shop now on that. As you can see, you're going to get a 2 amp hour battery and charger. It is a 13-inch 18-volt stick trimmer. It is not their most powerful string trimmer, but if you have a smaller yard, it will work fine for you. And again, your choices are the same 12 that I showed you with the $99 2 battery kit. So what did I do this year, ladies and gentlemen? Well, I'm going to take you downstairs to the shop and I'm going to show you, but in a nutshell, I did this right here. I bought the string trimmer. Interesting story. My godson Andrew and his girlfriend recently purchased a home, and he purchased a 50-ish-year-old house on an acre of land. And a few years ago now, I moved into a townhouse. This house here is the center of an 8-house development where, you know, I have 3 houses on one side of me and 4 houses on the other. So I don't have any side access to mow or anything. My backyard is a fenced-in patio that's got no grass on it. I have to mow a 15 by 13 area of grass anymore and weed whack 12 feet. I have moved and have been lugging around my old 40-volt big Ryobi string trimmer that has the extended kit that has the string trimmer head as well as the edging head. And, you know, I have to keep it in my shed, and I have to walk all the way around the facility to go down to my shed, get it, to walk back upstairs to the front yard to weed whack for about 30 seconds. This little string trimmer here is small enough I can put it in my coat closet in the front of my house, mow the lawn in 15 seconds, and then weed whack in another 15 seconds, and I'm done. So this is perfect for me. And the 40-volt system is going to my godson where he has that acre of land to take care of. So let's go downstairs. I'll show you what I picked for my free tool. Hey guys, one more thing before I jump downstairs and show you my purchase. I want to show you a few other things that are on sale that aren't really the BOGO. I am not a fan of the kit, as you guys know, but some of you are, and I'm going to show you here that they do have this rather large kit on sale for $100 off. That's a pretty, you know, $200 for this kit is pretty good. To be perfectly honest with you, it comes with several tools. I mean, pretty much all you need to get started. You have the drill, the driver, a little flashlight, the skill saw, circular saw, the sawzall, which is the reciprocating saw, and the multi-tool, and a charger, and there's a couple of batteries in there. So it is a good kit for $200. Just be aware that these are going to be mostly brushed lower end tools at this kit. There's one other kit I would like to show you. Alright, one of the other things I wanted to show you was a drill and driver for $100. Now these are not the HP, so I'm assuming these are brushed. This is a good entry-level set of drill driver with obviously 2 batteries, the charger, and the bag. Now you can also get the HP brushless drill and driver. Not as good of a sale. It's only 20 bucks off at $179 for this kit. I remember when I purchased this kit when it first came out, it was $139, so it's gone up in price a little bit. I own this kit right now. Very soon it will be my godson's along with my 40-volt string trimmer. But if you're interested in a drill driver kit, they are on sale right now, as well as that big 6-piece kit. I also will tell you that there are many other things just randomly for sale. They're not part of the BOGO or anything, but as you can see, they have lawnmowers, they have other string trimmers, they have many tools in their arsenal on sale. You know, Ryobi has so many tools that there's always going to be some on sale, but they're kind of reiterating here the free tool over and over again with the BOGO. So that's kind of the big savings here that we have with the Ryobi Days sale. All right, let's get downstairs and check out what I got. Okay, everybody, we are down in the basement, and here you can see I have the string trimmer that I purchased and my free tool. Before I get into this, a few things I forgot to tell you up in the computer. I showed you the 2 drill kits. They also have just the individual drill for 50 bucks right now if you want to grab the drill, battery, and charger if you don't want the kit. There's also all kinds of other things on sale because not only is it Ryobi Days, there's a Father's Day sale going on, and that has Husky, Milwaukee, I mean everything in the tool aisle. You know how they set up the cardboard displays? There's a lot of that stuff going on in there that I didn't really cover because it's not part of Ryobi Days, but there's a big sale going on in Home Depot right now, so there's a lot of other things you could grab besides this. But I wanted to show you this because this is the 13-inch 18-volt string trimmer that I picked up. Now, I'm going to do a complete video on this, so we're going to put this aside. I just wanted you to know that this is one of the 3 BOGO options this year, the other 2 being the 2 battery and 3 battery kit I showed you. Let's get rid of this for now. And I'll have this video out quick. I'll try to get it out tomorrow for you. Here is one of the 12 free gifts you can get. And what I picked up was the angle grinder. So let's bust it open. And we got our instructions. We have what feels like a nice handle, actually. And they gave me one, looks like about a 1/4 inch disc. And the unit itself. Let's say it's got some weight to it. And that's the entire box, guys. Obviously, this is a tool only. No battery, no charger. But you know, when you're getting this as the free thing with a tool that has a battery and charger, you don't really need the battery and charger, do you? So obviously the handle can go here or here or here. So the handle can go in any of 3 places depending on if you're right or left-handed. I will probably use this like this, so I'm going to put the handle here. And, you know, I may change my mind and move it, but you can freely move this into 3 different locations. So that's good. There is a clip here that allows you to rotate the protection shield, which is nice. And it just snaps back on, and you can put it in any place to protect you from the sparks and such. I was just about to say, I don't believe I don't have a tightening wrench. Very nicely stored in the handle. That's pretty good. I like that. And I'm pretty sure we have a button right here for me to hold when I go to tighten. So let's just see how that works. All right, let's throw a battery in her and see how she goes. Now, even though I'm not cutting anything right now, I'm going to throw some glasses on just in case. This is the first time I'm running it. It does have a lock button here. So you have to push this button to unlock the switch before the switch will run. Hey everybody, so this is the free tool that I chose. This is the 18 volt Ryobi PCL 445 angle grinder. I like the handle can be located here or on the top or on this side. So if you're right or left-handed, or if you want to hold it this way, you can. The tool storage is really nice. I like that a lot, actually. And it comes with 1 grinding disc, so you can get started. The shield is movable and can lock in place wherever you want it, and it does have a locking button here to tighten up the grinding disc. It has a lock on the switch, so right now I cannot move it. You got to push this down. Away we go. I'm happy. You know, like I said, I needed the string trimmer, and there was a free tool option as part of Ryobi Days, so I took advantage of it. I will make some use of this around the house over the next couple of months, and I will show you how I use it when I do it. So obviously this is more of just a box opening video because I don't have a use case to use this right now, but I just wanted to show it to you because it's what I got in the Ryobi Days sale. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you can save a few bucks at Ryobi Days. If this worked for you, please hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, with the string trimmer. We'll see you then. Bye.